Welcome back, 2024, yes, the new year. Did you watch all the Christmas specials? Weren't they brilliant, eh? And what about Donald Trump ringing up and saying hello? That was amazing. Anyway, into the new year, I've had an email. I need to read this to you. It says, hey Mace, come on la, you said yous was doing chicken for me and Waffles. R.A. gutted Mace. Camping Trev, yes. Cue the music. Welcome back to the new year. Fantastic. Did you watch all the Christmas specials? Weren't they amazing? What about that ham? What about that stuffed pork? Absolutely brilliant. 2024 now. New things are happening. So we have one that you like today. And I always say to you about chicken. Buy a whole chicken, break it down, and then you've got it for the rest of the week. So simple. Here we go. Try this one. Chicken and waffles for Camping Trev. So like I mentioned before, the best way to get your chicken is to buy it whole, just like this. Then break it down, and then once you broke it down, you can use it for various meals. If you buy the breast, it's nearly as dear as buying the whole chicken. So let's just break this down. You've seen me do it lots and lots of times. If you follow it all the way around, on that side, all the way around the leg on that side, turn it over, bring it back, and then you can just, there's one leg, okay, pop it out of the backbone, follow it through, second leg, okay, so we turn it back. And we go to the breast side, find where the breastbone is. And with this one, I'm not too bothered about the skin on this one because I'm going to have to take it off. So find the breastbone, follow it down. You've seen me do this with pheasants, you've seen me do this with ducks. And there's one of our breasts with a wing on. So if you want to have it like that with the wing on, you can. Or you can just cut around like this, take your wing off for another meal. So I'll put the wings to one side there. But that's the breast that we're going to use today. And I'll just finish the rest off. This is what's left. And that is for the dogs or for us. That makes wonderful chicken soup. And like I said to you, you've got so many meals out of this. We're only going to use one of the breasts today. Rest later in the week. The legs you can do another way, and the wings you can do another way as well. It's a lot cheaper to buy this than to actually buy individual parts. So if we're just going to use one part of the chicken today, which is going to be the breast, which is there. And as I said to you before, I said I don't want the skin on this one, not today, because we're going to breadcrumb this and fry it, so we don't want any skin on there. So there's the skin gone. And we'll put that into the bone broth. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this chicken, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half this way, right through the middle, like that. If I wanted to, I could do it like this, but I don't want to. I want to cut it in half that way, which then gives us two portions, basically, doesn't it? Okay, let's get one of the chickens, put it inside. Let's cover it over with our cling film. You can see that. The rolling pin. Okay, there's one done. your second one done. Okay, so they're done. Pop them to one side. A couple of eggs. A little bit of flour. Okay, that should be about right. That's for our waffles. Let's get a couple of eggs. Couple of eggs. We have some flour already. Flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Now we did the breadcrumbs on another episode. If you haven't seen how to make the breadcrumbs, flip back, check it out. It was amazing, and I'm still using them, and I keep replenishing them, and they are fantastic. So, seasoned flour, like this. Breadcrumbs there, which we've already put in, and I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it as well. Just grate a little bit of cheese in. A little bit of sour cream. This is just onions and tomatoes. Ooh. Ooh. Excellent.